This video tutorial I will cover how to inject set collection which is having a dependent object using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined a class fruit. It has two properties, name and color, and it has fruit constructor which accept name and color, and I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined a class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and set of available fruits. In the set, we can add fruit object, and fruit is the dependent object. And it has fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and set of available fruits. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have specified using constructor dependency injection, Spring container should create fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object. Fruit1 object name should be apple and color should be red. Fruit2 object name should be grapes and color should be violet. And fruit shop object shop name should be fruit mart, and set of available fruit should be fruit1 and fruit2. This set element is used to define the set, and it refers to fruit1 and fruit2. Type attributes specify string and set. So this constructor will be called by Spring container, and shop name will be set as fruit mart, and set of available fruits will be set as fruit1 and fruit2, which are the dependent objects. What object to instantiate, what object to configure, and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example, we have specified fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object. These objects should be created by Spring container using constructor dependency injection. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates fruit shop object and configure the fruit shop object and manage the full life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. These constructors are called by Spring container, and fruit shop object shop name is set as fruit mart, and set of available fruits contains dependent objects fruit1 and fruit2.